Jake, you want to show Daddy something?
Alright, show me.
Come show Daddy what you did.
What'd you do?
So a clear choice.
Go.
Easy turns.
No, Alyssa. Show Daddy. I said, Jake, can you go potty? And he willed this out to me, Daddy.
Jake.
Oh God! Oh God!
What is that?
It's poop!
How did he put that in there? Charlie? Jake?
Is that Jake's poop?
Oh!
Jake, what is that? Is that your
How
poo-poo?
did he do that?
Jake, is that your poo-poo?
Dad.
Why is it in the tractor? Why is your poo-poo in the tractor? Doesn't poo-poo go in the potty?
Did he pull down his pants and go there?
I don't know.
What is it, Jake? Oh, gosh!
Ew, Jake!
You're supposed to do that in the potty.
In the potty. In the poo-poo potty. Ew.
Not in your truck.
Did he have diapers on?
No.
Mom, did he eat?
Jake. Jake, honey,
Huh?
you're supposed to go poo-poo in the potty.
No.
Yes. You don't poo-poo on the floor and put it in your tractor, honey.
Ew, we touched it.
Jake.
Yeah.
Jake, honey.
And
No,
don't eat
don't touch poo-poo. Now we gotta go wash your hands.
No.
Jake, honey,
No.
did you make a poo-poo mess in your tractor? That looks pretty gross, honey. That's yucky. That's yucky.
Huh?
Where does the poo-poo go?
Dad?
In the potty. That's yucky. Don't touch it. Let's go get some tissue, honey. Come on. We'll go wash you up. Jake,
Huh?
we gotta go get tissue now.
Yeah.
You got poo-poo on your hands?
Huh?
Did you touch the poo-poo? That's yucky. Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's yucky.
No.
Poo-poo stinky and dirty.
Huh?
Poo-poo is stinky and dirty.
No, it's not.
Yes.
That's
We don't touch poo-poo.